guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing my February monthly haul. If you're new to my channel, I am on a low buy for 2019. I will put the intro video up here, and I am checking in every month with a collective haul to show you what I bought for the month, if I stuck to my low buy, stayed within my budget, and let's just get into it and see what I got for February. So the first thing I got for the month of February was the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Foundation Stick. I got this kind of in January, kind of in February. I pre-ordered it on QVC in January, but the money didn't come out and it didn't ship until February. So I don't know what happened, but I couldn't find my order confirmation, my receipt, anything. So I'm not quite sure the exact dollar amount I paid for it. It is currently on sale on QVC for $29. And full price on QVC is $34. So I'm just going to guess and say I paid $30 for this, because I think that's pretty much what I paid. And I've done a review on this foundation. I do really enjoy it. I just don't find it to be long wearing. So if you're interested, I will put that up here. For the month of February, honestly, I didn't do very much shopping at all. I was very depressed to the point where I wasn't even motivated to shop to cheer myself up. And the couple times I did shop, it was when I was like at Walmart buying food, and I was just like, let me go to the makeup aisle, see if there's anything small I can like pick up to perk me up for the day. So on one of those trips I did see some new stuff from Neutrogena, which got me really excited. First was the Protect and Tint Tinted Moisturizer. I got the shade Fair to Light, and it's the lightest shade, I believe, and it's a little dark. Like, I feel like I look super tan today, like this is my summer shade, but I think I made it work. And it was $8.47, so really affordable, and it's really beautiful. It's actually pretty similar in the look to the Complexion Rescue, and I've been loving a really dewy light coverage lately. So if you're interested in this, I say go ahead and check it out. It's a really nice product. And then the other item that I picked up from the new Neutrogena line was the Cheeky Winks. I got the shade First Crush and Boys and Berry. Now honestly, these are little tiny pans, so it like per gram it's pretty expensive, even though it's only $6.47 each, but they are like a beautiful natural flush. You cannot overdo it with these blushes, and I really enjoy them. So I'm wearing I'm wearing First Crush right now, and I just think it's such a beautiful, natural, like slightly luminous blush that just gives you that natural flush effect. So I really like these. The last couple of items that I got, again, were from my Walmart shopping trips, and they came out with their seasonal beauty favorites boxes, which always get me really excited. So I got the Latest in Lips box. These boxes are $9.88 each, which is an amazing deal because they have like all of these products, and so many of them are full size. It says it's valued over $47, and I would say that's accurate. I haven't tried all the products in here, obviously, but the ones I have tried, I do enjoy, and I think for $9.88, these are really good boxes. And then I also got the Eyes Have It, which has all of these products in it. And I can't wait to try everything out from those boxes. I've just been like so meh that I haven't been motivated to play with and test new things. But that was everything that I got for February. And obviously with those few items, I did stay in budget. The total for the month of February is $71.17. I'm really proud of myself for staying well within budget for my low buy. Shocker of all shockers, I placed 0 Ulta orders, which Who knew I could go a whole month without buying anything from Ulta? Not me. If you guys are on a no-buy or low-buy journey this year, let me know in the comments how you are doing. I really am curious to see, you know, how other people are doing, because it's not easy. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button if you've not already, if you want to follow me on my low-buy journey through 2019. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.